Alex, can you believe it? Today is our trip to Bali.
I still can't believe it. We planned this for months and now it's finally here.
Are we really going on an airplane today?
Yes, Sam, a long airplane ride. You'll see clouds from the sky.
Sam, when we feel excited like this, we can say, I am excited for our trip.
I am excited for our trip.
Good. Now let's pack our bags and get ready.
Dad, there are so many people here.
Yes, this is an international airport. People come here to travel to many countries.
Look, Sam, those are boarding gates.
What does boarding mean?
Boarding means we are getting on the airplane.
Oh, boarding means getting on the plane.
Exactly.
The clouds look so soft. It feels like we are flying inside the sky.
When something makes us feel peaceful, we can say this feels calm.
This feels calm.
Some people feel nervous on planes, but it's okay.
I feel a little nervous, but also happy.
That's normal. You can feel two things at the same time.
The air feels warm and fresh.
Welcome to Bali.
There are palm trees everywhere.
Yes, Bali is a tropical place.
Tropical means warm, green, and full of nature.
Tropical means warm and green.
Good morning. Fresh fruit today.
Good morning. Everything looks beautiful.
Dad, what fruit is that?
That is papaya. It is sweet and juicy.
I want to try it.
When we want something politely, we say, "May I have this, please?"
May I have this, please? The ocean is so big.
Yes, the ocean looks endless.
Listen to the sound of the waves.
It sounds relaxing.
Good word. Relaxing means it helps us feel calm.
This place feels quiet and special.
This is a temple. People come here to pray.
Should we talk softly here?
Yes, Sam, that is respectful.
Respectful means being kind and careful.
The fields look like green stairs.
These are rice terraces.
Farmers grow rice here for many people.
So this food helps many families.
Yes, that's right.
Your handmade items are beautiful.
Thank you. Made by my family.
Dad, people here are very friendly.
Yes. When people are kind, we can say they are welcoming.
They are welcoming.
Today was a full day.
I feel tired, but happy.
That's the best kind of tired.
What was your favorite part, Sam?
The beach and the papaya and the plane.
Travel helps us learn new places, new words, and new feelings.